Hi, this is Sara of Spa and Wellness Mexicaribe here at ISPA in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Gilad of the Madison Collection. Gilad, tell us a little bit about what is new here and what you're focusing on here at ISPA.
Well, thank you, Sarah, and hello, everyone. Welcome to the Madison Collection's booth at ISPA. At this particular ISPA, we are talking about our new tuxedo towel. The new tuxedo towel is the epitome of light luxury and an eco-luxury towel. Now, why is it important? Well, we're going to talk about sustainable savings. And when I talk about sustainable savings, I'd like to talk about what is typically your biggest cost and usually your biggest pain point, and that's laundry. So this towel is 8 pounds per dozen. Most traditional spa towels that are a little bit heavier, thicker, fluffier are typically between 17 to 18 pounds a dozen. Now let's say if you had 1,000 towels of the Madison Collection, it would only require 9 loads of laundry to launder 1,000 of our eco-luxury towels. If you were to launder those thicker, heavier, fluffier towels, it would require about 20 loads of laundry for 1,000 towels. So from a water sustainability perspective, from electricity, from energy, from labor to time, we really put a lot of energy into designing linens that are going to be really efficient in the laundry and really efficient on Mother Nature.
Fantastic. So really important for sustainability and for the planet. And if you're looking for new towels, then that's a really huge consideration. Thanks for sharing that with us, Gilad.
Thanks for listening,
Thanks
everyone.
for watching.
Great day.